Half your team thinks in Spanish, and all of your training is written in English. Half of your customers have English as a second language, yet all of your menu, marketing, and signage is in English. And every day, that gap is costing you money. Not because your employees aren't smart, but because you're asking people to perform at a high level using instructions that weren't written for the way they actually communicate. Think about your kitchen for a second. The prep list, the opening procedures, the cleaning checklist, the food safety rules, the training documents, the recipes. Now ask yourself honestly, how much of that is written in the primary language of the people actually doing the work? For most restaurants, the answer is almost none of it. So what happens? A new hire nods like they understand. A prep cook guesses. A line cook learns from another employee who learned from another employee. And suddenly, your standards aren't being followed because nobody ever clearly communicated them in the first place. Then owners blame execution, but the real problem was translation. Here's the fix. Take any SOP, any checklist, any training document, paste it into ChatGPT and say this. Translate this into clear, simple Spanish that a busy line cook can easily understand. No textbook Spanish, no corporate Spanish, simple instructions. The kind somebody can follow during a Friday dinner rush. In less than a minute, you've created training materials your team could actually use. Now every employee receives the same instructions, the same standards, and the same expectations. You reduce mistakes and you shorten onboarding. You spend less time correcting preventable errors. And maybe most importantly, your team feels respected because you're finally communicating with them instead of expecting them to meet you halfway every time. Now, do the same thing with your customers. Look around your neighborhood. How many people speak Spanish? How many speak Vietnamese, Chinese, Korean, Portuguese? How many potential customers walk by your restaurant every day and can't comfortably read your menu? Most owners never think about it. But language is a sales tool. Take your menu, paste it into ChatGPT, and ask it to translate it naturally into the languages spoken in your community. Now those customers can confidently order. They'll understand your specials. They'll understand your ingredients. They feel welcome. And now they'll actually eat at your restaurant. You didn't change your food. You didn't buy new equipment. You didn't spend money on advertising. You simply removed friction. And removing friction creates revenue. This costs nothing. It takes minutes, and the technology already exists. The barrier isn't money. The barrier is that most restaurant owners have never sat down and done it. Communicate with your team in the language they understand. Market to your neighborhood in the language they speak. Better training, fewer mistakes, faster onboarding, happier employees, and more customers. All from a tool that's sitting on your phone right now.